welcome back to my video, and thank you for watching the last video that the Zumba dance and all. And then now we are going to build a house for a birdie that is making it's because of the wind it's getting a trouble and it cannot live. So then this girl wants to build a house for its birdie. So let's put the girls. We have already set up the girls like this. This girl is saying to hi to all of you because she's very kind, but this girl is very rude. So come on, come on, come on. They are very kind. Just you can just play with them. You can do anything. Yeah, and come on. We'll take a green platform, and I forgot to introduce the birdie to you all. Sorry. And here is the bird. It's so cute, right? So cute. I feel like if it is all real. And now this birdie wants a house for it because it's getting fed up of that wind and all. So we're gonna take this platform and we need to put this on. Sorry if I took a lot of time, and I need a big one. Like see, like this. Okay. Then you need to take a camera kind of things like this, like like this and all. But here, all the sides it has like some kind of holes and everything. But then here it does not have. Like see, it's kind of like that. And then you just need to put it like this to reach here, and then. Sorry if I took a lot of time too now. Now then you need to take this kind of circle thingy and put it on top. And before that you need to take some kind of these all. I'll show you. 4 of this because I have 4. And you can come on. Yeah. Now you see this camera thingy, right? Remember this? Yeah, you see this camera thingy, right? On all 4 sides, you need to put that on, okay? Like this way. Like this and like this. And like this, okay? So now we can go to the next step. Okay, I finished, but if I took a long time than anything, just excuse it, okay? Sorry. And for that I need to take 2 videos. Okay, come on now. Like this, 4 sides plus like this, okay? Like this, and just put the circle thing that I said last time. Just put it on top of it like this, and now see, so good because it has the support of these all on this thing. Okay, so you can just put these kind of things. This is small. This is small. This is big. This is big. This is big. Yeah, we can take all these. So like this kind of thing. Okay, you can see, and then put it like this on all the 4 sides. Okay, then you can put that. Forgot to tell you, need to put this thing in middle of everything. Oh yeah, like this. Then you can just put these kind of things. 2 you need to select, and then you need to put like this. Okay, and on inside that that, you need to keep the birdie. You see the platform, right? The dot. You can also this one. You can just attach it like that.
I also got the daddy there. You ate too much cream and you are eating one more chocolate. That's when I ate about it. I ate
Okay. So now finished. Oh, good. Like this. Look. Okay. Hello. Like this, okay? The birdie should move a bit, and then so it will be stuck like that forever till its life. Okay, then you need to protect more the birdie. You can put this and this. Yeah, you can take one of this, put it like this, and take one more like this, and then put it like this, and take one of this, two of this, and then put it on top. For more protection, like this. The birdie's house is finished, and this is and she wants her birdie's house. So now it's ready. She can do anything with that birdie. Now look, what a happy mood they are both having. I'll show you. The bird is on the tree, and the girl is so sweet, and she's saying, oh yeah. And thank you. I hope you like my video, and like and also subscribe. Ring the bell, press the subscribe red button, and then also ring the bell. Just point to it. You can just ring the bell, and thank you for watching my video. And sorry I did not introduce my brother who came right now. Now come on. So he's my brother Pranav. He's eating chocolates. He's so cute. And then thank you for watching my video, and I hope you all subscribe and also like it.